Okay, let's start a new structure, 14th structure. In this 14th structure, let's learn I don't have time. I don't have time structure. I don't have time. I don't have time to plus V1 plus something. This is the structure. I don't have time structure. I don't have time to plus V1. After I don't have time to, we have to use the first form of the verb. Okay. So now let's see the usage of this structure. This structure is used to express the speaker's inability to carry out the action. What is the structure? The inability of action. The inability of the action means the speaker cannot carry out the action. In this sense, this structure can be used. Now let's see some examples. I don't have time to watch movies. I don't have time to watch movies. I don't have time to after we have to use the first form of the verb. Okay. I don't have time to come with you. I don't have time to come with you. I don't have time to help you. I don't have time to explain this lesson. I don't have time to take a short nap. Nap means short sleep. I don't have time to cook dinner. I don't have time to read books. I don't have time to go for morning walk. I don't have time to learn new skills. I don't have time to do exercise. I don't have time to clean the room. I don't have time to meet my friends. I don't have time to prepare for exams. I don't have time to rest. I don't have time to come with you. I don't have time to do shopping. I don't have time to plan new ideas. I don't have time to attend the meeting. I don't have time to surprise you. I don't have time to take care of this garden. I don't have time to visit the museum. I don't have time to relax. I don't have time to explore. I don't have time to explore for new things. I don't have time to participate in the games. I don't have time to visit my friend. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the next structure.